How to change your address in USCIS Online Account. Today I'm going to show you in this full step-by-step tutorial. If you've recently moved or plan to change your residence, updating your address with USCIS is very important. This ensures that you continue to receive important notices, appointment letters, and documents related to your immigration case. The process can be done entirely online using your USCIS account, and it only takes a few minutes to complete. First, go to the official USCIS website and log into your USCIS online account using your email and password. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can see all your active cases and recent updates. Look for the section labeled Profile or Account at the top of the page and click on it. Inside your profile settings, you'll find an option that says Edit or Update Address. Selecting that will allow you to make changes to your current address on file. Before submitting, double-check the information you're entering. Make sure your new address is accurate and complete, including apartment numbers, zip code, and state. If you have any pending applications such as green card processing or work authorization, you'll be asked whether you want the address change to apply to all of them. It's best to select yes so every active case is automatically updated. After confirming, click Save or Submit. You'll then receive an on-screen confirmation that your request was successfully sent. In most cases, you'll also get an email notification confirming your address update. However, if you filed paper applications that aren't linked to your USCIS online account, you'll still need to file Form AR11 separately. This form can also be completed online by visiting the Change of Address section on the USCIS website. Remember that by law, most non-citizens must report their address change within 10 days of moving, so it's best not to delay. Once you've updated your information, log out and log back in after a few hours or the next day to confirm that your new address appears correctly in your profile and on your case summaries. If it hasn't updated, try refreshing or contacting USCIS through your account's message center for help. And that's it. Your address is now updated in your USCIS online account. Doing this promptly helps you avoid delays or lost mail, ensuring that you stay informed about your immigration process and receive every document on time.